Stylish storage. Dress up standard, square tissue boxes with this functional, stylish cover. Easily conceals cardboard tissue boxes. The clean, sleek design is perfect for home or commercial use. Complements any decor with its understated and sophisticated appearance. Easy refills. Open bottom allows for easy replacement of empty tissue boxes. Just lift the cover and place a new box underneath. Perfect for end tables, nightstands, countertops, vanities and desks throughout your home. Use in kitchen, living room, family room, office, craft room, bedrooms and more. Perfect for house, apartment, condo, college dorm rooms, RVs, cabins and campers. Large opening. Generously sized to hold most standard-sized square tissue boxes as well as stacks of individual facial napkins or makeup remover wipes. Quality construction. Made of strong steel with a durable finish. Designed for use in moisture-rich bathroom environments. Easy care, clean with damp cloth. Thoughtfully sized. Measures 5.3 by 5.3 by 5.8 high. Top reviews from the United States. Quite beautiful. I'll admit the price stung a bit, mostly because I felt silly spending $20 on a box for a box. But it looks absolutely beautiful on my desk every single time I glance at it. I am filled with satisfaction. This is better than most other tissue covers as I've pushed through my reluctance and purchased several. Of all the ones I've bought in the last 2 months, this is my favorite. It's very sturdy and fits Puffs and Kleenex standard brands. It's also just darn pretty.